Young Guifei was one of the most celebrated figures in Chinese history, known for her unparalleled beauty and tragic romance during the Tang Dynasty. Born into a noble family, she captured the heart of Emperor Xuanzong, rising to become the Imperial Consort, which brought her both immense power and heartache. Their love story was one of passion and intrigue, set against the backdrop of a glorious court life filled with art, music, and poetry. Yet as political turmoil loomed over the empire, their relationship faced insurmountable challenges that would ultimately lead to tragedy. As the Anlushan rebellion erupted, the couple's idyllic life shattered, forcing Yang Guifei to make a heart-wrenching decision. In a moment of desperation, she chose to sacrifice herself for the sake of her beloved emperor and the realm. In the end, Yang Guifei's beauty and spirit became a symbol of love and loss, immortalized in countless poems and tales that walked through the annals of history. Her story continues to resonate, reminding us of the complexities of love in a world fraught with conflict.